Kupitia msemaji wake Ben Mulwa, Gavana Sonko anashikilia kwamba NMS inahudumu kinyume cha sheria. Mahakama Kuu ilikuwa imeamuru kwamba kubuniwa kwa NMS kulikiuka sheria, uamuzi ambao Sonko anataka uheshimiwe.
Justice Helen Wasilu made a very clear ruling that indeed the NMS was established unprocedurally and the NMS has continued to undertake activities illegally. And the governor has continued to insist that the national government really needs to regularize that. The reasoning behind that is, if you read through the deed of transfer, it was very clear that the national government shall operationalize the transferred functions. That did not mean that the national government can set out to commit illegalities in the name of implementing the 4 transferred functions.
Sonko akisema kulingana na uamuzi wa mahakama anasalia kiongozi wa kaunti ya Nairobi, kwani hatahitajika kuwajibikia rasilimali za kaunti kwa mujibu wa sheria. Kuhusiana na swala la kutimuliwa kwa Sonko, Mulwa anasema kuwa wapo tayari kwa hatua yote ile.
The governor has been very clear. You see, at the end of the day, he would rather be impeached, and which is he has continuously indicated that he is not going to be the first governor to be impeached. But to him, what is important is the rule of law must be followed. Because what is the benefit of participating in illegalities that will send him to jail maybe later, while he has a situation where he can salvage himself? Even if he sent home, at least he would walk home with a clear conscience and a clean heart, knowing that he stood by what is right.
Hiyo jana kiongozi wa NMS Meja Mohamed Badi aliweka wazi kuwa hayupo katika mashindano na Gavana Sonko wala siasa, jambo ambalo upande wa Gavana Sonko unahisi ni kinyume na ilivyo kwa sasa.
I'm not a politician. I'm an administrator and a KDF personnel. So I don't get engaged in politics. One of the core values of KDF is to be apolitical, not to interfere with politics. So mine is purely service delivery. So I have no problem with the governor. He is still the governor of Nairobi. I'm only performing the duties of the 4 transferred functions, and mine is service delivery.
Lakini je, kisheria Gavana Sonko anaweza kufutilia mbali makubaliano hayo?
Whether he wants to pull out or to keep the deal, or whether the Nairobi Metropolitan Services feels that they are legally executing their mandate, that one is not here nor there. The more important issue, and which is very fundamental, is before these processes were initiated, or before any decision was made, were the people of Kenya, and more importantly, the people of Nairobi City Council, were they consulted? Was there any public engagement of any sort? So that the national government or the Department of the Executive be satisfied that there are certain inadequacies that must be satisfied.
Mzozo huu wa uongozi katika kaunti ya Nairobi unajiri wakati ambapo mvutano unaendelea baina ya Spika Elache na wakilishi wadi kuhusiana na karani wa bunge la kaunti ya Nairobi. Elizabeth Mutuku, TV47 Nairobi.